In this video, I'll show you how to send money to host on Airbnb. To get started, go ahead and open Airbnb on your device. So make sure that you're signed in into your account. Now at the top of your screen, go ahead and click on the link of Airbnb and modify the ending of this link into /resolutions, and that will take you into the resolution center of Airbnb. So go ahead and enter that onto the section. Now in here, simply select send money from this resolution center action to be able to send money to the host of your Airbnb listing. So currently, I don't have any eligible reservations to send money. If you do have a reservation where you want to send your payment to, you can simply click on that, and that will redirect you into a new section where you'll be able to select your payment method for that specific payment and confirm your payment. And that is how you can basically send money to host on Airbnb. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.